Oh yeah. Lovely.
Big squid.
Ooh. Check out the Honda. How's that for a sponsorship deal with the some boat cleaning products? Bang. Welcome back, folks, for another action-packed day of Octopus Fishing Adventures. Anyway, viewers, so we're out here off Fremantle. The location, no big deal. Big hump in the middle of the ocean. There's a marker here telling me where I am. And I've got Peter on board again. Trying to get him a big decent fish. He's been pretty desperate lately, so he's come to the right bloke. Anyway, just give it a shot and sit back, enjoy the show. Oh, it's come off. Come off.
It's just come off. No, that's another octopus.
Octopus. We've just I don't know if the previous recording happened, but I caught an octopus on a soft plastic, and now Peter's on something. He reckons it's an ockie.
Yeah. There's a fair few of them around.
That's amazing. I've never really got stuck in the octopus before. Not that I want to, but fresh, why not? Is he taking line, mate?
Oh, dropped off.
Dropped off?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh well. Got one.
Look at the squid jigs, mate. They'll clean up on it.
Wasn't a cuttlefish because I know exactly what they feel like.
What we're going to do, fresh octopus, it's still wiggly. It's not cruel because we put him out of his misery quite humanely. Lucky we had that sledgehammer on board. And we just got to throw out that, still wiggling. So if a snapper does not eat this, if he's here, you know, there's
he's
something
not
wrong.
here then.
Yeah, he's probably a bloody vegan snapper. Sorry guys, again the microphone wasn't working, so bear with me for 30 seconds. The fishing was tough. You can see I caught a wrasse. Until I caught this really weird looking fish, I did catch it a few episodes, and I did identify, but at that time I was outstanding. I didn't know what kind of fish this was, and I'm looking around, what fish is it? It's a bloody rabbit fish, very spiky, very dangerous. It hurts a lot, I've been told. And stupid me, I almost kissed it. Yeah, good on you, mate. I'm glad you got rid of it. Anyway, so as I said, it was tough going, and we decided to stop, count our losses. So we're running close to the squid grounds. We're going to give it a shot.
Better? Oh, it's a few behind, I think.
Is it?
Oh, no.
Is it weed? Oh, yeah. Ooh. Hang on. In the honey hole.
Oh, look at the size of this one. Good size.
Yeah, it's good size. Got the net there?
Yeah, there's a couple underneath him.
Oh, so I'm always hooked up.
Chuck
Chuck the other one out.
I'll keep this here.
Oh, that's alright. We'll just end up losing them. I'll hit it right. If you bring him in, they'll follow it. Good size. Oh. Good one. Fine specimen. Lovely. Now we're on. Just the case. Awesome. Well done, Peter. That's a good one.
Nice size.
Yep, better size than that first one.
Unless you want bait.
So I actually thought I had snagged. Yeah, Peter, put the camera down, mate. There's followers. There's followers. Just clip it back over here. Oh, damn! I'm gonna lose this one, but he's a.
That's a good.
Yeah. Really be easy.
Where's that net?
Right here. Get him behind. Oh yeah. Lovely.
Big squid.
Ooh. That's a big one, eh? Lovely. Specimen there. You got one?
Yeah.
Alright, let's swap. Good that we moved, huh?
Good squid.
Good on you, mate. Woo! Taking line. Must have followed that one in.
Another big one.
Yeah, it's a good one. Fine specimen ones here.
I'll pick them up.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get in touch with nature.
I'll stand back so we don't capsize. Oh, beautiful, man. Well done.
Nice size squid.
That's it. That's what happens squidding. If you're not doing much in one area, just move to another spot. They've actually come a bit closer and the water seems to be a lot cleaner. And I was excited straight away as soon as we came here. And you see the weed beds. Now we've got the profits on board. Oh no. Now if I was hardcore clean fanatic, check out the Honda. Hey, check out the Honda. How's that for a sponsorship deal with some boat cleaning products? Oh. On again. It's taken us a while. We've actually had to move over the same grounds. I just cast this way on the outside there of the boat. Yeah, there's nothing worth bragging about, but he's definitely thrown into the bag. Nice. Oh, repairs on. Dinosaur for squid. Oh, he's not hooked. Give him a nice check.
There you
That's
go.
it. Yeah.
Didn't like that.
Wait, always going ballistic. Nice one, mate. It's funny how they wrap themselves around it, but they manage to avoid the barbs.
Yeah.
Alright. Taking line on this one. Relax. Oh, surfing squid. Just love this colour. Love this colour. There you go. Oh. And what do I need to do? Got some weight too. Now we're starting to do a bit of damage. Oh yeah, he's up here. Getting just on the leg. Nice one. That's how we make good use of I wouldn't say a bad day, but we're going for other stuff. Mate, calamari definitely makes it worthwhile. Alright viewers, so we're out of here. We had a good time just going for the squid. We're out there in the bank going for some bigger stuff. Got that octopus. Caught a few octopus, we didn't manage one. But all in all, really great day. Thanks again, mate.
Anytime.
And let's have a look again. Got a couple. Oh, it looks pretty mucky. So anyway, take it easy guys. We'll definitely do a cook up on this one. And see you home.
See you later.
Was out of the water. Folks, now it's time to cook up the prize catch, and that's the octopus. I've already cut the head off, taken that little beak from the middle of the mouth. Very simple. There's a few tentacles missing because I did try and use it for bait. It didn't work out, but I'm going to salvage the rest of it and try it out. Now for demonstration purposes, I've already got one of these empty. And I'm just going to tenderize it. It's going to make a bit of a racket, but put your hands in your ears and yeah, that'll do. Give it a bit of a rinse because I'm actually seeing a few bits of rubbish coming out of the suckers. Probably a bit of seaweed or something. So give that a nice wash. I want to pat dry this, so I'll quickly grab a cloth and dry it up because I'm actually going to grill it on the barbie. Pretty excited, never done it before. Cook it right, it does come tender. So I'm going to dry this up, some herbs and spices on it. Beauty, let's get into it. Right, so I've got one of these paper towels with the excess moisture. As I said, really simple. With salt and black pepper and a bit of oregano, I don't know. On the other side, salt. Alright, now to prep it up, I saw it on some channel where they put a skewer through there, so when you pick it up it all comes up all in one piece. So I want to try and do that. So I'll put it like that. That, and might as well go around here too. So, it looks alright. Top here so I can pick it up, it looks better. Ouch! Shit. It's already really hot. It's been oiled up. Bang! These smaller pieces get cooked up a bit too early. They should fall down the grill. Well, I should turn it around the other way. Ouch! Better. We're starting to curl, so it's really hot. Take that a bit out. Yeah. I want to spread it out so it's all in contact with the grill. I reckon that'll be about 10-15 minutes, I think. Awesome. Ooh, it's getting a nice char on that. Look at that. Looks very daunting. I'm not a big fan of tentacles on anything, but I believe that when it's cooked, they're actually quite soft. But yeah, I'm very curious. Octopus on the barbie, char grilled. Just cut a slice here to see it. It's nice and white. That would signify it's just about done. So I'm pretty excited to see how this tastes. First cut here, I'll take off these skewers I put in. Okay, it's cut right down the middle. And you can see that nice and white, so I think it is cooked. I'm just going to try for a crispy bit first. It's pretty good. It's actually quite delicious. Very nice. I can't taste the tentacles. It's not a factor. It's actually quite nice. I'll grab a bigger piece just to make sure it is cooked.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker.
See that nice and white going right through.
Tucker, fish, tucker, the fish, tucker.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. First time ever fresh octopus. I'm stoked. Anyway, video, and mate, we'll see you next time. Before I go, bon appetit.
Fish, taco, man. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, taco, man.